Now, there is a most unfortunate situation unfolding where Jamaica might soon be among the countries designated by the English government red-listed countries due to the high rate of COVID infections. And English Premier League clubs have voted unanimously not to release players from these red-listed countries for international duties. And even other players from other clubs, if they release their players to any of these countries, then as stipulated by the UK government, those players would have to serve a mandatory 10-day quarantine before returning to their clubs, which makes it highly unlikely that the English clubs, which right now are not mandated by FIFA too, but they are unlikely to release the players. So players like Leon Bailey and Mikel Antonio for sure, and possibly all the England-based players might miss the games against Mexico away, Panama at home, and Costa Rica away. So Jamaica could play 2 of our toughest games without approximately half of our first-choice players. Not a good look. Indeed, a terrible look for Jamaica. But remember, I mean, say no excuses. So Coach Whitmore, remember all of them players over the years who you used to look at and look at and look at. Yes, Tapa. You can't look at them anymore, Tapa. Right now, you have to look for them. Yes. When you find them, Tapa, just shout them and send them this. Yes, tell them, we need them now, Tapa. We need them. We need them. It's a matter of urgency. It's a matter.